Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Cori. Today's video is going to be a Mega Makeup Declutter and Organize. If you have anything that you need to tackle, put me on your TV, phone, or tablet and let's do it together. I am pushing with you. If you are new here, I am a full-time medical assistant, a mother to 4, and married to my high school sweetheart. Alrighty, you guys, as you know, I am addicted to decluttering and organizing. There is a purpose, and I cannot wait until I can tell you guys a little bit more about what is to come for my family. Anyways, in today's video, we are decluttering all of my makeup. Okay, I lied. We're not decluttering it all. We're decluttering and reorganizing all of my makeup. I actually got rid of 39 different things. Keep watching and you will see the pile of what I'm getting rid of. And also, please go back to my most recent video, the video before this. I do believe it is my Master Closet Clean and Declutter. You guys, that video is so inspiring. And to top it off, it's 2 videos back to back, Tuesday and Friday. I know you will love it. So as you guys can see, I am just going through every bin that I had in that drawer and going through every single thing individually. Some things I'm swatching, some things I am not. However, I did decide what I'm keeping and what I am not. And I am so excited to show you guys how it all fit in my drawer so nicely. I think the thing that was hardest for me to get rid of was my eye products. So like my mascara, my eyeliners, my eyebrow stuff, and my eyeshadows. You guys will see that it looks like I'm not getting rid of a lot of eyeshadow, but I promise you, for me, it is a ton of eyeshadow. I about messed my pants, if you will, looking at how many eyeshadows I got rid of. The best part about getting rid of these eyeshadows is I get to give them to one of my very, very special friends. You guys, she is going to be so thankful for all of the love. I will be mailing her 5, yes, I said it, 5 of these eyeshadow palettes. My friend, you know who you are. I hope that you love them. When you get them, I will let you know when they're coming. I hope you choose to stay till the end to see what is coming up next on my channel. While I am decluttering my eyeshadows, I did want to ask you, what is your favorite makeup brand and what is your favorite eyeshadow palette from that brand? Also, what makeup product do you enjoy the most out of your collection? And or what is something that you would like to try out in the near future in regards to makeup? Okay, friends, so I would love to know in the comments what you guys are doing while watching my videos. I would also love to know in the comments what you guys would like to see from me in regards to decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and inspiration or motivation. That is something that I absolutely love doing, is getting my audience's recommendations and putting it into the form of a video. So please put that in the comment section, as well as leaving me some sort of makeup emoji. Here it is, guys, all 39 products that I am getting rid of. Can you believe that? I can't. I honestly cannot believe it. And now here we are putting everything back into this drawer. You can see me organizing and unorganizing and organizing again. Probably one of my favorite things to see how I can fit everything in this small space. Super rewarding. Super rewarding. I absolutely love this part of the declutter portion. Alrighty guys, so if you have made it this far, the video after this video, which will be going up on Tuesday, is going to be a declutter in my basement family room. You guys know I have all of those cupboards and cubbies and everything. I need to declutter them, I need to go through them, and I need to pack them up. So please join me here on Tuesday, 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Alrighty friends, this is the end of our time together today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy cleaning videos, how-to videos, along with much needed motivation and inspiration, I would love it if you would subscribe, like, and show me some love in the comments, and give this video a thumbs up for more. And so much love to each and every one of you. I hope that you have a beautiful weekend. Love you guys. Bye.